Morning students, today I am going to explain about adder. Adder is a circuit which is used to add the binary digits or binary numbers. The adders are basically of two types, half adder and full adder. Half adder is a logic circuit that adds two binary bits. It produces the output as sum and carry. इसके ट्रूथ टेबल को अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं. These are two input 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. When we add 0 plus 0 0, then no carry, that's why carry 0. 0 plus 1 1, sum would be 1 but no carry, that's why 0. 1 plus 0 1 but no carry, that's why 0. 1 and 1 2, 2 in binary form we can say that 2 is equal to 10. So sum would be 0 and the carry would be 1. This is logic circuit of half adder. This is carry and this is sum. Next, full adder. Full adder is a logic circuit that adds three binary bits. It produces the output as sum and carry. इसके ट्रूथ टेबल को अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं. 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 and 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. These are the inputs. When we add all, then in the first case sum would be 0, carry would be 0. In the second case 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, so the sum is 1 but no carry, that's why 0. 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, so the sum is 1 but carry is 0. 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 that is 10, 10 का सम हो जाएगा 0 बट कैरी हो जाएगा 1, क्योंकि एज आई टोल्ड यू अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बताया मैंने कि 10 को लिखते हैं इस तरह से हैं तो 0 हो जाएगा सम एंड ये हो जाएगा कैरी. सिमिलरली 1 1 2, 2 plus 0 1 अगेन सेम 10, 10 का सम हो जाएगा 0, कैरी हो जाएगा 1. एंड 1 1 1 के केस में ये 3 हो जाता है. 3 को हम लोग 11 बोलते हैं, तो 11 में सम भी हो गया 1 और कैरी भी हो गया 1. ये उसका लॉजिक सर्किट है. दिस इज सम, दिस इज कैरी. अदर कुछ डेफिनेशंस भी हैं, इनकोडर, डिकोडर, मिनटर्म और मैक्सटर्म, जो डेफिनेशन के तौर पे पूछे जाते हैं. ड्यूरिंग कंप्यूटर ऑपरेशंस यू मे नीड टू convert numbers from one base to another, hence logic circuit which are number from any base to binary known is encoder, and decoder is the inverse of encoder, a logic circuit which converts a binary number into the number with any base, that is called decoder. Minterm is a product of all the literals with or without the bar within the logic system, and maxterm is the sum of all the literals with or without the bar within the logic system. So these are the terms which you have to learn. Thank you.